I was about to say kids. Then I realized you all are not kids anymore. You all are teenagers or young adults, as you like to be told. Okay, so today we are taking a question that अगर eggshell का मतलब उसके बाहर वाली covering, if that is made to react with an acid, dilute acid, तो क्या होता है? Eggshell, how does it react with dilute acids? Okay, first of all, we should know जो हमें acid लेना है, most likely HCl और H2SO4 के ही होंगे ये, और भी हो सकते हैं, but these are the main two acids that we can take. HNO3 तो बिल्कुल नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि HNO3 इतना पावरफुल होता है, बहुत पावरफुल होता है, और वो हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को पूरा तोड़ फोड़ देता है. So we get very different products from HNO3. So we don't use HNO3 at all. Okay. Then first thing is, what is eggshell composed of? What is it made up of? Which chemical? So eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, and that's why it's white in color. The eggshell is white in color. अब acids chapter में था कि how do metal carbonates react with acids. So this is from acid chapter कि carbonates और acids आपस में कैसे react करते हैं. So वो क्या react करते हैं? अगर कोई भी carbonate है और acid है, it definitely will give carbon dioxide, it will definitely give water, and it will give a salt. Salt मतलब खाने वाला salt? No. NaCl नहीं हर बार बनेगा, Na है ही नहीं रिएक्शन में. So salt means a positive ion and a negative ion joined to each other. Positive ion, negative ion joined to each other are called salts. So if we look at this equation, this is the calcium. I'll write it here. I think it's visible. गंदा हो गया, but still. So this is the reaction which happens. So carbon dioxide को तो produce होना ही होना है अगर ये carbonate है तो. Okay, पानी भी almost हो ही जाता है. Now, what is the salt which will be formed? देखो आप इसमें से CO2 चला गया, we'll break this from here. We'll break this from here. Now अभी ये positive है तो किसके साथ join होगा? Negative के साथ. This is the negative side. This is the positive side. This is the negative side. Positive side. Now positive and negative will attract each other. So this person does what? It throws away अपना negative, carbonate को फेंक देता है और दूसरे का negative अपने पास ले लेता है. ये positive and it will take the negative of the other compound. So the product will be CaCl2, which we can call a salt, क्योंकि इसमें एक पॉजिटिव आयन है और नेगेटिव आयन है. अब ये इसमें क्या होगा? CO3 कुछ अपने आप में तो स्टेबल होता नहीं है, ये it's highly reactive and joins with whoever it wants to. Now यहाँ है H. So first it tries to make H2CO3. That is what it tries. But somehow this is not stable. And then it further breaks into H2O and CO2. So that's it. कि eggshells Why do they, uh, how do they react with acids? Fine, you will see some bubbles. This will be white in color, and this will also be white. So this is the salt, water, and calcium chloride. Finished.